Hi, I am Shani and you are watching Shani Sir. I am going to start this channel to help all those people who are preparing for PPSC, fpsc, PCS, PMS or CSS for the sake of the general knowledge. And this series will continue and I will try to upload different videos in upcoming days, in upcoming weeks. So let's start with the first question. Without any further delay, what are the numbers of the headworks built on River Satluj? Our options are A2, B3, C4 and D6. And the right answer is already ticked, which is C. There are 4 numbers of headworks which are built on River Satluj. Question number 2. According to the Indus Water Basin Treaty signed in 1960, India was allowed to use the waters of A. Jhelum Ravi Satluj, B. Jhelum Ravi Beas, C. Chenab Ravi Jhelum, D. Ravi Satluj or Beas. So the right answer will be D. Ravi Satluj and Beas. Question number 3. Chashma Barrage was built in the year of. Chashma is a barrage. It is famous. It is located in Miawali Kundia and it was built in the year. The right answer will be option C, 1970. Question number 4. The Jinnah Barrage has been built on the river. The question is, Jinnah Barrage is built on which river? The right answer will be Indus River. Okay, Indus is the largest river of Pakistan. Question number 5. The highest mountain pass in Pakistan is. Highest mountain pass in Pakistan is A. Bolan, B. Khyber Pass, C. Khanjarab Pass, D. Mustaq Pass. Option number D is the right. Mustaq Pass is the highest mountain pass in Pakistan. Question number 6. Largest hockey stadium in Pakistan. Option A. Lahore, B. Multan, C. Karachi, D. Peshawar. Largest hockey stadium is located in Lahore. Option A is the right answer. Question number 7. Which largest cricket stadium in Pakistan is located in which city? Largest cricket stadium. The previous was about the largest hockey stadium. This question is about the largest cricket stadium and it is located in Karachi. The National Stadium Karachi is the largest cricket stadium of Pakistan. Question number 7. Largest oil field of Pakistan. A. Tut oil field, B. Atok oil field, C. Durnal oil field and D is Millar oil field. So which one is the right answer? Our right option will be option number C, Durnal oil field. Question number 8. Siri, Pai, Meadows, Lulusar and Ansu lakes are located in. These are all lakes and the question is where they are located. They are located in Kaghan KPK. These all lakes are famous lakes. These can be asked individually in different papers and they are already asked. And this is a single question which covers all of them. Next question. Longest glacier of Pakistan is Siachen. And what is the length of the Siachen? A. 98, B. 70 km, C. 76 km, D. 72 km. The option D is the right answer. 72 km is the length of the Siachen. Next question. Hindu Kush mountain extends westwards into. Hindu Kush mountain extends westward into India, China, Afghanistan or Iran. The right answer is C, Afghanistan. Next question. Height of Tirithmir. Height of Tirithmir mountain is 8,611 meters, 7,690 meters. I think B is the right option. B is right. 7,690 meters is the height of Tirithmir. Question number 11. Lawari Pass connects which areas? A. Gilgit-Baltistan with Skardu, B. Chitral and Dir, C. Dir and Swat, D. Swat and Swabi. So the right option is B. Chitral and Dir are connected by the Lawari Pass, which is also known as Lowari Top. Question number 11. Second highest mountain Nanga Parbat's height is. Nanga Parbat is the second highest mountain in Pakistan and its height is 8,126 meters. Question number 12. Height of Rakaposhi is. Rakaposhi is a mountain in Pakistan and its height is 7,788 meters. Option number D is the right option. Next question is length of the Biafio Glacier which is in Karakoram. Now they are asking about the Biafio Glacier's length and the length of the Biafio Glacier is 62.5 km. Option number C is the right answer. Next question. Son River belongs to which area of Pakistan? Potwar Plateau A, Thar B, Balochistan Plateau C and Swat D. So where do the Son River belongs? Son River belongs to the Potwar Plateau, which is Chakwal and all this area of salt area basically. Question number 15. Mountain at Pakistan-Afghanistan border. Which mountain is located at Pakistan-Afghanistan border? So the option number A looks good. Chagi Hills are located on the Pakistan and Afghanistan border. Do remember that Pakistan tested its atomic bombs in Chagi Hills as well. Question number 16. Pakistan Military Academy was established. Pakistan Military Academy was established in which year? Pakistan Military Academy was established in the same year in which Pakistan was created. It is 1947. Next question is, School of Infantry and Tactics is located in. Infantry and Tactics School is it belongs to Pakistan Army and it is located in Quetta. Option number C is the right option. Question number 18. Pakistan Army's Engineering College is located at. Pakistan Army's Engineering College is located at Risalpur. Do remember, Risalpur is the place where Pakistan Army's Engineering College is located. Question number 19. Armed Corps Center of Pakistan Army is in. Armed Corps Center is being asked in this question, and the right option for this question is Nowshera. Nowshera KPK. Next question 20. Headquarter of Pakistan Navy, which is known as PN in its short term and abbreviated in Pakistan Navy, is located in. Pakistan Navy's headquarters is located in Islamabad. Few people will mistook it for Karachi, but Karachi is not the right option. Right option is Islamabad, which is C. Question number 21. First Commander-in-Chief of Pakistan Navy was. First Commander-in-Chief of Pakistan Navy was. Option number B is the right option. Rear Admiral Jafford James Wilfred was the first Commander-in-Chief of Pakistan Navy. Next question. The first Commander-in-Chief of Pakistan Navy, Rear Admiral Jafford James Wilfred, was succeeded in 1953 by. James Wilfred was succeeded by Rear Admiral HMS Chaudhary. Option number A is the right option. Question number 23. Pakistan Naval Staff College was established at Karachi. Pakistan Naval Staff College was established at Karachi in which year? The year should be B, 1968. B is the right option. Next, first Commander-in-Chief of Pakistan Air Force was. First Commander-in-Chief of Pakistan Air Force was Air Vice Marshal Perry Kane. Option A is the right option. Air Vice Marshal Perry Kane. Question number 25. Khanpur Dam is located on which river? Khanpur Dam is located on Haro River. Haro is a river and Khanpur Dam is located on this river. Question number 26. Chashma is located in. Chashma is a barrage and Chashma is located in Kundiya. Kundiya is located in Mia Valley and Chashma was built in 1970. Next question is highest mountain of Himalayan range in Pakistan is. The question is the highest mountain of Himalayan range in Pakistan. So the right option should be Nanga Parbat. Nanga Parbat's height is 8,126 meters. Question number 28. Total forest area of Pakistan. Total forest area of Pakistan is 4.27%. They sometimes ask the total forest area of Punjab, which is D, 0.49%. Question number 28. Takht Bai is a famous archaeological site which is related to Buddhist monastery and it is located in KPK. It is a Buddhist monastery and it is a famous archaeological site, Takht Bai. Question number 30. Nanga Parbat is located in. Nanga Parbat is the second highest mountain in Pakistan and it is located in Gilgit. Okay. Question number 31. Sulfur is found at the following. Sulfur is found at Koh Sultan. Option number C is the right option. Chagi mountain belongs to Koh Sultan. Next question number 32. Muslim Bagh is famous for chromite. Option number C is the right option. Question number 33. Which pass connects Chitral with Afghanistan? The pass that connects Chitral with Afghanistan is Dora Pass. Option number B is the right option. Dora Pass. Question number 34. Which river joins Satluj before entering into Pakistan? They are asking about the river which joins Satluj River, which is the second largest river of Pakistan, just before entering Pakistan. So river Bias connects Satluj before entering Pakistan. Option number C is the right option. Question number 35. Anti-Terrorism Code, which is in its short form is known as ATC, was promulgated in which year? ATC codes were promulgated in 1997. 1997 was the year when they were promulgated. Question number 36. Pakistan is to buy MA700 turboprop aircraft from. Pakistan is going to buy MA-700 turboprop aircraft from which country? The country name is C for China. China is the right option. Which country has blacklisted SSP Rao Anwar? SSP Rao Anwar has been blacklisted by the United States of America for doing many fake encounters. Question number 38. Pakistan Navy celebrates Hangoor Day to recall the sinking of Indian Navy frigate Kukri in 1971 war. And the day that is known as the Hangoor Day is to be the 9th December. 9th December is the day which is celebrated as the Hangoor Day by Pakistan Navy. Next question is, the renowned Pakistani artist and the person who opened the PTV, Tariq Aziz, passed away on which date? Tariq Aziz passed away on 18 June 2020. Option number B is the right option. Question number 40. Shani Peak is located in. Shani Peak is a peak which is a mountain. It is located in the Gilgit district of Gilgit-Baltistan. Okay, GB. C is the right option. Shani Glacier. Shani Glacier is located in the north of Shani Peak, which is located in. Shani Glacier is located in the north of Shani Peak, so it is also located in the Gilgit district of Gilgit-Baltistan. Question number 42. Panma Glacier is located in. Panma is a glacier which is located in the Gilgit-Baltistan. Okay, Gilgit-Baltistan. Option number D is the right option. Question number 43. Pakistan Army's largest anti-terrorism center, NCTC, National Counter-Terrorism Center, is located in which city? Sibbi, Quetta, Pabbi Nowshera, Kakul or Kohat? The option number B is the right option. Pabbi Nowshera is the place where Pakistan's NCTC is located, Pakistan militaries. Question number 44. Druzhba is a Russian word which means, okay, Druzhba is a Russian word which means A, animosity, B, friendship, C, love, D, fight. So which one is the right option? Option number B is the right option, because Druzhba is a Russian word and it is famous because Pakistan and Russian militaries are practicing military drills for last 5 years, and Druzhba 5 is recently commencing in Pakistan at Tarbela. Question number 45. Maximum languages are spoken in which province of Pakistan? Pakistan's province which speaks maximum language is Balochistan. Balochistan is the right option, D. Question number 46. Sassi Pannu is a love story of. Sassi Pannu is a love story of. It is a love story of Punjabi, Sindhi, Balochi or Saraiki. Sindhi is the right option. Sassi Pannu is a Sindhi love story. Question number 47. Soni Maiwal is a story of A, Punjabi, B, Sindhi, C, Balochi, D, Pashto. Option number B is the right. Soni Maiwal is also a Sindhi story. Question number 48. Heer Ranja is a love story of which language? Punjabi, Sindhi, Balochi or Pashto? Heer Ranja is a love story of Punjabi language. Okay, it was written by renowned poet Waris Shah. Question number 49. Amir Karod is the first poet of. Amir Karod is the first poet of Punjabi, Sindhi, Balochi or Pashto? Amir Karod is the first poet of Pashto language. So the last question, the question number 50 is, the length of Himalayan mountain range is. Length of Himalayan mountain range is. The length should be 1400 miles. 1400 miles. Option number C is the right option. And thanks for watching this video. Plus I will definitely try to provide you with the PDFs of every video that I'm going to make. Thank you very much again for watching.